In this quick video, I am going to show you how to export Figma file to PDF. So it is really easy. Firstly, make sure that you have selected all of your frames which you want to export as PDF. So I have this one. So I just need to click on the frame from the top left, and once you tap on it, then this frame will be selected. You can also select all of your frames from this left panel. Under layer, we just need to select our frame from here. Once you select your frame, then it will select all of your assets under Figma. And now go to the right panel, scroll down here, and you will find the option of export, and make sure to select your quality and format as PDF. So we need to choose our format as PDF. Once you select it, also you can tap on the three dots from the right side, and under it you can adjust all of these settings. So make it like this, and then tap on export frame 1 or whatever frame you have. Once you tap on it, then our frame will be exported as PDF. We just need to wait for a moment and it will be downloaded on your computer. You can see it has downloaded here. If I open it, and there you go, you can see it is in PDF format. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.